I'm so sorry for the noise that you will be hearing from my grandkids. I'm sorry about that.
Welcome to my
Okay?
channel.
At
Today
any
I will be
mistake, I'm
making
sorry
some
also.
mini stuffed bell pepper. In this bowl I have some bell pepper. I have 3 colors. I have 3 jalapeno pepper, tomato, garlic, scallion. And will be using some torn plantain to do this stuff, along with some cheddar cheese and the chicken breast, which I will be grinding, and then we will proceed to the next step. So stay tuned. I've already washed out all of these things. I'm going to burst it in two, take out the seed, and we will proceed. So stay tuned. So I just put the torn plantain to boil. I just add half tablespoon of salt into it, and a dice of the chicken. So I'm going to start blending it. So finished blending. Now I'm going to take it out and put it in a bowl. So this is it. So I'm going to take this out. This is already boiled. Alright. So I add the chicken inside of there. After this finished frying up, I didn't use any oil. And then I'm going to season it up and fry up the bell pepper. So separate. Stay tuned. So add 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to mash this. Alright? I'm using a spoon. You can use a fork or a masher. So now what we're going to do is add this bell pepper into a pot with some boiling water, just for 5 or 10 minutes, so that it could soften up a bit. Okay, so here is the water boiling. So I'm going to strain this out. Alright, so I'm going to start frying up the tomato, onion, carrots. I cut them very fine, garlic and scallion, along with some red onion. I'm sorry. Alright. I'm gonna soften up a bit, and then I'm gonna add the spice. I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm gonna add the pepper flake. If I didn't mention, some sorry. Season salt. But I will be listing everything, complete seasoning. I'm not gonna use any black pepper because it doesn't taste very spicy. So this is it, and I'm gonna add this to the torn plantain and mix it. And in the meanwhile, this is the mini bell pepper. After steaming it for 10 minutes, I'm leaving it to cool a little, and then I'm gonna stuff it. Alright. I had some more scallion and red pepper, red seasoning, I mean red tomato. Oh my gosh, sorry. So I have to finish stuffing all. This is what it look like, and I will be using the Corona oil, the spray, to spray the baking. After finish spraying the baking pan, I'm going to add one at a time into the pan and then put it on 350 degrees and let it bake for 15 minutes. Okay, but before I do so, let's add some cheese into it. All right, on top. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna put all like this, then I'm gonna add it in the oven. 350 degrees, 50 minutes. Look at this. When it's finished, this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna plate this off and let you see. Stay tuned. This is what it looks like when it's finished. And this can use as appetizer. Okay, stuffed bell pepper, guys. Delicious. Try it. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. For any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.
All my listeners and subscribers, please forgive me for the noise in the background.